Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm doing ribs, chicken, and my first smoked mac and cheese today. Um, Everything's looking good except for the mac and cheese. This is my first time trying to smoke one. I'll come ahead and trying to check everything, and not really being used to doing mac and cheese on the grill. Open my lid, mac and cheese went everywhere, but everything's looking okay. See if I can get this. I can't get the flip around. Well, if I can open it real slow so y'all can look in here and see what's going on. Chicken, ribs, mac and cheese. Everything looking good. That skin on that chicken is turning out nicely. I put some rub little paprika, little Dale seasoning, rub it down with a little bit of that little olive oil. Let that sit on that for a while. Then I sprinkle with some rub. Put it on the heat, on the smoke. I got a lot of smoke coming out this thing. Thus, all this down here, that shouldn't happen. So I'm trying to figure out how to fix all that. But it still smokes pretty good. I'm burning up. But it's Labor Day weekend. So what do? We grill, we smoke, we eat, we drink, we party, we have fun, spend time with family, friends, loved ones, neighbors, neighbors. Have fun. It's the American way. But anyway, y'all have fun. I will hit y'all up in a bit. Peace.